Charming and move-in ready, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers comfort, convenience, and updates that matter. A brand new roof installed in 2023 along with a new water heater ensures peace of mind, while the HVAC system, only 7 years old, keeps things comfortable year-round. Inside, you'll find a spacious layout with an updated kitchen featuring a new dishwasher and microwave, perfect for easy living and entertaining. The dedicated laundry room includes a utility sink for added functionality. Step outside to enjoy the large covered deck, complete with a mounted TV, ideal for relaxing evenings or weekend get-togethers. Out back, a separate shop provides space for hobbies, storage, or projects. This well-maintained home combines modern upgrades with practical